Look, I imagine myself as being a doctor since I can first remember as a small child, and I suppose the only image I had of a doctor was the family doctor.
Having a usual GP is very important. It's really important to develop a good relationship with a GP that you trust and that you like when you're well. Because when things go wrong, if there's something serious with your health, you really want to know that you can trust that person sometimes with your life.
To me, preventative healthcare is actually as much a frame of mind. It's about seeing something or someone and saying, what can we do? What are the consequences of this likely to be into the future?
When you see that you've reassured a new mum that their child is thriving and they're doing a good job, those little differences that you make in people's lives, even that person that comes in for their first ever pap smear, they realise that wasn't so bad.
We have a great responsibility and place where we can help prevent the start of chronic disease. So treating patients that are overweight or treating patients before they develop chronic diseases is something that we can really make a difference in.
It really starts with pregnancy. Helping someone have a healthy pregnancy so that there's a baby that is the healthiest baby it can be, and it just goes on from there, helping families bring up children in a really healthy way.
I like that birth to grave, the multiple generations continuing care. I like to see all of that.
I can't get rid of the cancer, it's the radiation.
The general practitioner is best placed out of any other group to assist patients at the end of their life. And that's because very often general practitioners have built up a lifetime of relationships with that patient and with the patient's family. So we're often in a trusted position, which allows us to give, unbiased advice and professional advice to the patient and their family, taking all of these factors into consideration.
When I'm actually sitting with patients and can see that consulting actually makes a difference to the way they live their lives, it's enormously rewarding.
That's what I strive for, that's what I live for. Brings tears to my eyes.